As a local public power electric utility, PWC provides the fastest response when an emergency happens. And the American Public Power Association has recognized us as a diamond-level reliable public power provider, which means we have fewer and shorter outages when they do occur. When the power goes out, PWC crews work as quickly and safely as possible to restore services. Under our power restoration plan, we work to restore services to the greatest number of customers in the shortest time. Priority is given to locations such as hospitals, schools, or other facilities used as disaster shelters, county and city facilities including fire and police stations, water and wastewater facilities serving our customers, and public facilities or private homes with people on life support systems. Here's a look at how PWC restores services when the power goes out. We start by repairing any damage in the lines to and from our transmission system, where high voltage power is received from Duke Energy, our power supply provider. This affects the greatest number of customers and must be repaired before other parts of the system can operate. The next step is to check for damage at our substations, where the voltage is reduced to a level safe for distribution. Each local substation serves several thousand customers, so repairing damage here may restore power to a large number of people. We then proceed to repair any damage in the distribution system, starting with the main distribution or feeder lines that carry power to groups of customers such as neighborhoods or housing developments. Most outages are small and isolated because they involve the lateral or tap lines. These lines deliver power to transformers, either mounted on poles or placed on pads for underground service, outside businesses, schools, and homes. Did you know there are often multiple lines within a neighborhood and on both sides of the street? You and a neighbor may be on separate lines, so power may not always be restored at the exact same time. Service line outages are also small and isolated because they carry power, either overhead or underground, between a transformer and your individual home or business. It's important to note, if your outage is caused by damage between the line to your home and the service installation, it is your responsibility to have an electrician repair the damage before PWC can restore power. Thanks for your understanding and patience while we work to get the lights on.